Are you tired of feeling busy but not productive? Like you're juggling everything but still missing the important stuff? In this video, I'll share a simple 3-step framework to help you set clear priorities, focus on what truly matters, and start living with purpose. Let's get started. Think of your life like this jar. The big rocks are the most important things: your health, family, and personal growth. The pebbles are important but not critical tasks, like hobbies or projects. And the sand? That's all the little stuff. Emails, social media, busy work. If you fill the jar with sand first, there's no room for the rocks. But if you start with the big rocks, everything fits perfectly. Priorities help you focus on the rocks first, so the little things don't crowd out what truly matters. Start by asking yourself, what are the top 5 things that matter most in my life? Is it your health, your family, your career? Write them down. Seriously, pause this video if you have to, but get them on paper. Here's a powerful tool, the Eisenhower Matrix. It breaks tasks into 4 categories. 1. Urgent and important, do these now. 2. Important, not urgent, schedule these. 3. Urgent, not important, delegate them. 4. Not urgent, not important, eliminate them. This tool helps you make quick, smart decisions about where your time and energy should go. Once you know your priorities, make them part of your daily routine. If health is a priority, schedule workouts into your calendar like important meetings. If family time matters, protect that time fiercely. Start each day by identifying your top 3 tasks, the 3 most important things you'll accomplish that day. It's a simple habit that creates massive results. Now let's talk about some common mistakes people make when setting priorities. 1. Procrastination. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. 2. People-pleasing. You can't say yes to everything. 3. Lack of reflection. Priorities aren't one and done, they need regular check-ins. Remember, your priorities are your guideposts. They'll change as your life changes, and that's okay. The key is to stay aware and keep adjusting. Alright, now it's your turn. Take 10 minutes today to write down your top 5 priorities and 1 action step for each. Start small, but start today. Because when your priorities are clear, your decisions become easier, and your life becomes so much more fulfilling. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more videos, and drop a comment below sharing one of your top priorities. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay focused, stay intentional, and take care of those big rocks. See you soon!